Ho! What is this fallen down? Hey, it looks like a tractor toy. Oh yes, this is my sister's son's tractor toy, which was stolen, but I have found it today and I will polish it well and give it to my sister's son. Friends, I work very hard and make videos, but still, I have not got 100 subscribers yet. If you want, you can make me 100 subscribers by subscribing to my channel and like this video of mine and write the name of your favorite toy in the comment. And friends, if you want that, I help the poor, then help me by clicking on the join button so that I can also help the poor. Friends, the toy got washed and became new.